Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Innova and welcome to our reaction to The Breeders, and we are going to listen to the song Cannonball.
Yeah, this is a subscriber request. Let's get started with this first time single take honest reaction. Cannonball.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
On the last splash. Song. I'm the last. I'll be your whatever you want. The funk in this reggae
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. You got it.
Oh, this is nothing like a reggae song, but
Yeah.
I think they're talking about it hypothetically more than anything else. This was beautiful musically, and I also like this vocalist. Very interesting voice.
Refreshing.
Reminded me of that vocalist from that band Garbage. I'm only happy when it rains.
Yeah.
Wow, this was beautiful. I loved it. I loved the. I don't know what she was singing though. Why? No. I don't know what that was. It wasn't even coming on the screen. But I think that was pretty important to leave out. I don't know what it was. Quiet. Now. Did you get that bit?
I don't know what was going on, spitting in the wishing well and things like that. What exactly I will be, whatever you want, and things like that.
Yeah, referring to
Don't know
someone
what
who's
is
like a
going on in the
cannonball,
lyrics.
possibly referring to rolling from one place to another or one person's home to another. So I'll be a whatever you want, because of that. I think it's talking about someone who's all over the place. Maybe in that sense, this person is being referred to as a cannonball.
Honestly, I don't
Like
get
a rolling stone gathers no moss,
Yeah.
but it's put in a different way, maybe totally different way. But I think those 3 words or 4 words that we missed or wasn't there, I think that holds a key to understanding it better. Brilliantly sung. I love the music. What about you?
Music was crazy. It was crazy. I like it. It would be a rave on the stage when it would play. People would enjoy it truly, isn't it? I think you are hung over it.
Definitely,
Right now.
definitely. It's definitely very addictive.
It is addictive. It was addictive. You couldn't predict what was going to happen, and I like that because it makes it very exciting to listen to. When it started, that it sounded more like somebody doing with the mouth, but it was mainly, I think, on the guitar because it continued on the guitar. Or could have been
That
both.
sound is saying the internet modem.
The beginning sound.
Okay. Oh. Oh. I think that was someone doing
Weird
it on some
reaction.
weird instrument. Possibly of the 80s or 90s. It was nice finer nuances added in this of the internet modem sound. Oh, those were the days. Those were the days when you had to connect to the internet with that internet modem.
Can you imagine the
Dial-up
Breeders,
modem.
the group or the band? They may have never thought in their wildest imaginations that 2 people from India, Mumbai, would be sitting and listening to it and trying to describe it in their own way. All the and
I think this song, if it was in India, released in India at any point of time, must have been popular because it sounds so good. That's what music is all about, sounding so good.
universal.
Yeah, I mean, it's very well put together. I've never heard of these guys or these girls, if they are a girl band, the Breeders, but wow, amazing. They sound amazing.
I like it. Almost every single instrument and the vocal instrument, everything had a personality and had a prominent role in the song, whether it was the bass guitar, whether it was the drummer, whether it was the vocals, whether it was the guitar, everything.
I love
had
the
its own
drums being
show.
played towards the sides, that sound of it being played on the sides.
Uh-huh.
I like it when it is combined well with the bass guitar. This is one of those rare songs that has these
So many elements to it.
combinations, unique combinations of sounds which are not easily
It
heard
stands out. It
in so
stands
many
out.
songs. It definitely stands out to me. I'm surprised it hasn't been requested earlier. Thank you for the request to those subscribers who requested it. Amazing. Really good song. I don't know what it's about though.
Yeah.
Perhaps you can let us know in the comments and what are those 3 or 4 words. Da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da.
You want to try the modern sound that you did? I can do
Oh. Maybe they tried a cow mooing in pain or something.
No, that didn't sound
Or
like
buffalo.
a cow. I've heard enough cows to know.
Okay.
It wasn't.
Okay. You liked it?
I like it. I definitely like it.
Wow.
Oh,
The
this
Breeders
is good.
Cannonball reaction. Thank you for the request. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this reaction and hope you like this song. If it's your first time listening to it like us, I will definitely be listening to it again.